Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to create bootable flash drive in your Windows 11. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you want to create Windows 11 bootable flash drive. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. Before jump over that, obviously you should have at least 8 GB capacity any pen drive. I already connected a pen drive which is storage is 28.6 GB. You can easily connect minimum required is 8 GB pen drive. So what we have to do, we need to jump over Windows 11 download center, which is this link. I will put this link in my video description. You can easily directly jump over in this link. After jump over this link, you're going to find there's something say create Windows 11 installation media. Simply click here download now, and you're going to see a media creation tools going to be download. Just click here open file, and then we're going to see a Windows 11 setup file going to be run, and here it's saying to getting a few things ready. So it will give you a screen just like this. After a few seconds, you need to click here accept. After click over there, it's saying to getting a few things ready. Again, it's getting some things to ready, and here you can see select language and edition. By default is giving use the recommended option for this PC. Actually my PC is Windows 11 and it has English United States. If you want to install any other additional language, you can just uncheck this and click here language. You can easily choose any language you want. I'm just giving as it is, and by default it is Windows 11 edition. We're going to click here next, and then you can see it's saying to choose Windows media to use. I already installed a USB flash drive, so I just keep as it is, and then I'm going to click here next. And before jump over, click this next. Obviously make sure that you had insert the pen drive. Definitely that all everything going to be completely formatted. So if you have any important documenting, make sure that you had taken backup. Anyway, we're going to just choose this is already I have the pen drive, so it is ESG USB, which is the name. So you're going to click here next. After that, you're going to say simply downloading Windows 11. So it's going to be download, and it's taking some time, or it's depending on your connection speed. It might be take 10 to 15 minutes to download and bootable your pen drive. So be patient and stay waiting to until finish this 100%. It's going giving you that downloading Windows 11, which is progressing. After finish this 100%, it's going to again coming another things, and after that you're going to see a successful message. So just waiting to finish this 100% downloading this Windows 11 setup file in our pen drive. We made the bootable pen drive, and you can see it's here say your USB flash drive is ready. So if we click here finish, it's saying to setup is cleaning up before it closing. Now you can see I had successfully download and also make bootable pen drive in my PC. If I go here this PC, and then if I open this pen drive, we're going to see now here is all the Windows 11 setup file is here. So from now, if I want to install Windows 11 any computer or any new device, I can easily use this pen drive to install there in Windows 11. So this is how you can easily create bootable pen drive in your Windows 11 on any pen drive. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.